Hi Tony, it's Chris. I just thought I'd make you a quick video to show you the inside of a blog so you can get an idea of how easy it is to use a blog from putting up pages, editing notes, putting things in and just working with it. Hopefully you'll see that it's actually much easier than what you're doing. It's just a question of you picking a template or a theme that you like the look of. Obviously not the one that we ran up for you in a hurry a few weeks back. So here we are at the site we ran up the other day. I hope you can see my mouse over here. We're just going to pop up to the top. We type in /WordPress-admin, and there is a username and password, but my machine will take us straight past that at the moment because it's already been logged into that site. And then we just have you have a new product. We put up a new post, so it showed up at the top of the home page first. We do that by going add new. And then we have it. This will be the title, this will be the body of it. This is how we edit everything in here. So if we had a new product called Gold Leaf Wedding Books, that would be the title. Just about the only piece of SEO that you would need to do is, actually on this one, nothing at all, because that's the keyword phrase you'd be targeting and want to get found for. So you make sure that that was there. We could put in here new something or other there, you know, boom, 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 enticing. But the important thing here is that you have the keyword phrase that you're targeting of related to your product goes there. You then come in here and you can work in this small box, or you can tick this, work in a great big page, and we would just simply copy and paste some text, the description, a story or something. I've just nicked an article from Easy in Articles. You quickly format it, highlight, bold, just like you would word processing, highlight, bold. Now you make these things bold because the search engines, particularly Google, take more notice of things which are bold. It reads them as being a headline of more importance and therefore gives them more importance on the page. It's only a very small percentage, but it all adds up and helps. This is where you'd make the link go live, but we'll get rid of that for the sake of this demo. So that would come back, you'll see that. If you wanted to do it in HTML, you click the HTML tag, and then you can use HTML to edit and do as you wish to make these things look as you like. I don't do HTML, so I use Visual. And that's how you'd make an article. If you wanted to put an image in, which you're bound to want to put, you'd pick a location. I'll make this nice and big so you can see what you're doing. You come along, you click on that little image there. This is where you do the rest of your SEO. I want to take an image from the computer, so select the file I've already got uploaded. Go to Photos, My Photos. Let's pick a random. What have we got? That's quite dramatic. Pop that up. Select. That's now loading in for me, as you can see. There, we give it a title. What can we call this? Obviously, click. Do that. Its alternative text would be something different. Obviously, you get a caption underneath, which is very good. People like to click on captions. For an SEO point of view, you would put in a very brief description of it here. It also helps if people, visually impaired people and stuff like that, should have it. Your link would always, here you'd paste that to go back to your home page. I would normally recommend, so just do that. That's an internal link back to your home page. It helps you get a double listing. You can then decide if you want to have it left, right, center, what have you, and how large. I'd say medium and left. Insert. There is the image, and if you want to drag it and drop it and change it at all, if you don't like it there, you can move it down a little bit. Bang, it's there. If you want it up a little bit, it goes there, and so forth and so on. And that's all there is to adding that. Come out of there. Now we need to do another little bit of SEO work. We need to give this some tags. Tags are just other versions of your keyword phrase. They can be anything you like. They do help your page get found in the search engines. And they basically double up as meta tags, which you've been having to go back in manually and do and change and program. This is adding the meta tags for this particular post, which is almost 99%. This is exactly the same if you wanted to invent a whole new page. We then put a category. Categories are very important in the eyes of search engines. So guest books, probably close enough. And that, my friend, is that. We can just come over here now. We can choose to delay the publication of this. We can preview it. We can save it. We can have a look at it. But if we just publish it, give it a few seconds to do its own FTP to our server and back again. Hopefully I'll be able to find this post once it's done that. While we're looking at that, this is where you look down here. These are called plugins. You add these yourself. And as you see, there's a plugin which automatically creates and updates and pings and sends off your sitemap every time you update your site. And this is called an all-in-one SEO. It's an essential plugin to have. And that will just go in and that does all your SEO work for you. You set it up once or you copy someone else's and it's done and all your SEO is ready to go. So that site's been uploaded. Let's click visit site. And there we have the front page of the site with the new edition on, a load of information about that. And you're ready and good to go. You could leave that up for a few days or months, depending on when the next new product came out, and then very simply go and convert that into a page and put up your next new post. And that is how simple it is to do SEO using a WordPress blog. I hope that helps. I won't send this to Karen, I'll send it just to you, and then you can decide if you want to take it any further.